Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 9th class assignment 44. Concept is on binomial theorem children. This is really a good concept. So for our first question is, what is the greatest coefficient of x by y plus y by x whole power 2n plus 1? Actually a plus b whole power n, for example, if n is even, then greatest coefficient is nc n by 2. Okay, greatest coefficient is nc n by 2. If n is odd, then nc n minus 1 by 2 and nc n plus 1 by 2 at the terms, these are greatest coefficients. So here, if you observe the power 2n plus 1, so it is odd. So we will do one thing. See, for example, here the power 2n plus 1 is odd. Okay, therefore the greatest coefficient is here, okay, nc n minus 1 by 2 comma nc n plus 1 by 2 at terms. Okay, so let us simplify this. Okay, this is, if you say nc n this is in the form of ncr. As you know, this is n factorial by n minus r factorial, n minus 1 by 2 factorial into this is n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay children, now this is n factorial by, here we need to recall one thing. Here n means it is 2n plus 1 children. Here n means 2n plus 1. Here n means 2n plus 1. Therefore, from that formula, this is 2n plus 1c, okay, n minus 1 by 2. That means 2n plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, nc n minus 1 by 2. So n means it is 2n plus 1 as the power is n. So 2n plus 1c, okay, in place of n you take 2n plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then this is 2n plus 1 c, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2n by 2, then 2 cancel n. Then apply NCR formula. This is 2n plus 1 factorial by, this is 2n plus 1 minus n factorial into n factorial. Okay children, then this is 2n plus 1 factorial by, this is n plus 1 factorial, okay, n plus 1 factorial into n factorial, So if you observe the first option, this is 2n plus 1 factorial into n factorial into n plus 1 factorial. So according to the options, this is the greatest coefficient for the first one. Okay children, so our next one, if you see this, the value of greatest term in this expansion. So if you observe clearly, actually this is in the form of like root 3 into 1 plus x whole power n. So from that, n is equal to 20 and x is equal to 1 by root 3, x is equal to 1 by root 3. Then generally the greatest term is Tn, that is equal to n plus 1 into modulus of x by modulus of x plus 1. Here n is equal to 20, x is equal to 1 by root 3. If you substitute here, this is 20 plus 1, 21 n is equal to 20, no, 21 into x value becomes into x value becomes 1 by root 3. Okay, so by again this is 1 by root 3 plus 1. So when you do the LCM, this is 21 by root 3 plus 1. As you know children, denominators are getting cancelled. Then you know this is 21 by, you know, root 3 value is 1.732. 1.732 plus 1, this is 2.732. 2.732. Now this is, when you simplify this is, here we are getting, say for example, 21,000 divided by 2,732. So if you see the division, if you take 8 times, okay, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, okay, 8 7s are 56 plus 2, okay, 5 8 2s are, so 8 is going to get more than 21,000. So this is 7 times, so 7 point, say some decimal part, this is t. So as it is integer part, so then this is the greatest term is equal to, this is integer part of 7.xxx plus 1 is the greatest term. So its integer part is 7. So this is 7 plus 1, 8. T8 is the greatest term. Therefore, T8 is equal to, okay, this is like NCR, okay, so a power n minus r into b power r, okay. Now, so n value is 20, see, r value is, okay, this is 8, no, so n is equal to r plus 1, so n is equal to 8, from that r is equal to 7, okay. So 20c7 into a means first term, this is 1, or 20 minus 7, and this is b means, okay, this is 1 by root 3, x is equal to 1 by root 3 whole power, okay. How much it is? B power r. R means this is 7. This is 7. Okay. Now this is 20c7, okay, into 1 by root 3 whole power 7. So actually we want greatest term for the expansion. So here we have root 3 is also there. So this is 7 times. So this is out of 7 times. Okay, if you cancel 1 time, this is 6 times. Then 20c7 by root 3 whole power 6 times means, okay, this is 3 times, okay. Then this is 20c7 by, okay, this is 27. So this is the greatest term. So it is given in second option. It is given in second option, children. So what is the value of the greatest term in this expansion is 20c7 by 27, children. So our next question. Numerically greatest term of 3x plus 2y whole power 11 when x is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to 3 by 4. Say for example, this is given that common 3x here. If you common 3x, then this is 1 plus 2y by 3x, okay, whole power. This is 11. This is also 11. Okay. Then here it is in the form of 1 plus x whole power n. So from here n is equal to 11, x is equal to, that means capital X is equal to 2y by 3x. So as the values of x and y are given, we have to simplify the capital value of x. Okay. Now see what is the numerically greatest term. See, according to the previous question, the numerically greatest term is, okay, Tn is n plus 1 into mod x by, okay, mod x plus 1th term. Okay, so if you see, substitute n is equal to 11, so 11 plus 1 into, okay, what is x? X is equal to 2y by 3x. X is equal to 2y by 3x by whole divided by, again modulus of x means 2y by 3x plus 1. Now this is 12 into 2 by 3 into c y by x. Y by x means y value is given that 3 by 4, okay, into x value is given that 2 by 3. 2 by 3 divisibles, then 3 by 2. 3 by 2, okay, by again 2y by 3x, same, this is 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 plus 1, okay. Now this is 12 into, here 3 getting cancelled, okay, 2 getting cancelled, 3 cancel, 2 cancel, this is 3 by 4. Again this is also 2 getting cancelled, 3 getting cancelled, 3 by 4, okay, plus 1. So 4 cancel in 12 3 times, 3 3s are 9, okay. This is 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. So this is, okay, this is 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is changed as 4 by 7. So this is 36 by 7. 9 4 is 36 by 7. If you do the division, this is 7 5s, no, 5 point some. Therefore, the greatest term is equal to, this is t interior part of 5x plus 1 is the greatest term. So that is t5 plus 1, t6th term. T6th term is the greatest. Therefore, t6th term is equal to, here n is equal to r plus 1. Okay, here n is equal to 11. From that r is equal to 10. R is equal to 10. So, sorry, here Tn, no, this is T6, no, 6 is equal to R plus 1 because Tn is equal to Tn plus Tr plus 1, we know that. So R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. So n 11C5 into first term is 1 whole power 11 minus 5 into second term is 2y by 3x whole power 5. Okay, so this is 11C5, 1 power something, leave it. And one more thing, you simplified here, 2y by x value is 3 by 4. You take the same, 3 by 4 whole power 5. Okay, now numerically greatest for the given term. Therefore, the numerically greatest term, okay, is equal to, actually we common this, no, this is 3 into x whole power 11, okay, into, for this term already we calculated, this is 11C5 into 3 by 4 whole power 5. Now 3 power 11 into, right, x value is how much, children? this is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 whole power 11. That means 2 power 11, 3 power 11, okay, into 11, okay, 3 by 3 power 5 by 4 power 5, okay, into 11C5, of course. Now you take 11C5 first, okay, then 3 power 11, 3 power 4, 11 getting cancelled, okay, then 3 power 5 is there. Then if you take 2 power 11, this is 4 power 5 means 2 power 11 by 2 power 10, then this is 2, okay, then that's all. Now this is 11C5 into, so 3 power 5 is how much? Into 3 power 5 is 243, okay, into 2 is there. So if you take this 11C5 into, if you multiply 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2s are, okay. So what is the numerically greatest term here? 11C5 into 486. So 11C5 into 486, it is there in the third option, children. It is there in the third option, okay. So our next question is, what is the coefficient of a power 8, b power 4, c power 9, d power 9 in this expression? Actually, it is not with respect to binomial theorem, children. It is with respect to multinomial theorem. So as it is multinomial theorem, okay, so here n is equal to 10, here n is equal to 10, and one more thing, as it is splitting as the powers are a power 8, b power 4, c power 9, d power 9 coefficient, okay, this is splitted like in multinomial theorem, okay, as the powers are equal to the values of r, s, t, w, or like l plus m plus, say this is for example n factorial by r factorial into s factorial into t factorial into w factorial, okay, where r plus s plus t plus w is equal to n, that is nothing but 10, which is nothing but 10, okay. So from that, if you are taking the second option, okay, because this is given like a power r into b power s into c power t into d power w in our multinomial, So if you see, if you want quotient of a power 8, okay, if you want a power 8, b power 4, c power 9, d power 9, usually this is 10 factorial by, according to this r is a power r, so this is 8 factorial, so 4 factorial, 9 factorial and 9 factorial. So quotient of this a power 8, b power 4, c power 9, d power 9 will come as second option, children. So this is the explanation for this assignment, children. Have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.